Hey guys, you're watching Cait Straight Up, and I am Caitlin, and we are going to kick off something really fun here on the channel. We are going to do four Thanksgiving videos for you this week, leading up to the best freaking food day of the year, Thanksgiving, on Thursday. So we are going to get started with our cheesy garlic bread recipe. It is a cheesy pull-apart garlic bread. It is so fantastic. It has King Hawaiian rolls, my favorite, and you are going to love it. Make sure you check out the links below to some of our favorite Thanksgiving recipes that we've done on this channel so far. There's some good ones down there, and we have 4 more coming your way. So let's get started on our cheesy pull-apart garlic bread. You are going to love it. So we are starting with some butter in a dish, and to it we are going to add some oregano and parsley, about a tablespoon of each. After that, we're going to add about 1/4 cup of a garlic paste to our butter and spice mix. And you can never really have too much garlic, so go ahead and eye that out and add as much as you want. You're going to mix it in with your butter. It's best if your butter is a little bit softened, so you don't have to melt it, but you do want to allow it to get to room temperature on your counter. And then that's it. So we're mixing in the garlic paste in with the butter and some oregano and parsley. Then we're going to spread it out on each side of our King Hawaiian rolls that we have cut in half. So you could start by kind of just adding some glumps down, and then you're going to want to just spread it evenly throughout on your rolls. So however you want to do it, if you have a knife or a little tool like this, and just spread it out evenly. So you can always just kind of go back and make sure that it's spread out nice and even, like so. After you have your butter spread out evenly, we are going to go ahead and just do a little bit of black pepper. If you want to add salt, you can, but I don't think you need it, but go ahead. And then it's time for the fun part of this cheesy pull-apart garlic bread. I have slices of a fresh mozzarella here that I'm just going to kind of put out on the base of what would be the bottom of the King Hawaiian rolls. And fresh mozzarella melts pretty nicely, so you just it's going to kind of go all out. But you want to make it even, but don't worry too much because this is going to melt and be extra gooey and wonderful. So just try to make it as even as possible. After you have your cheese laid out, you're just going to go ahead and take the top of the King Hawaiian rolls, lay it over top, and then I like to just kind of center mine on my baking sheet. And then you're going to bake this in a 350-degree oven for about 10 minutes until your cheese melts. Trust me, this pull-apart cheesy garlic bread is going to blow your mind and be a favorite at your Thanksgiving dinner. And after about 10 minutes in your oven, your cheesy garlic bread is ready, and trust me, you're going to want to pull it apart and dig right in. This is best served hot, so people could just kind of pull that cheese out. It's going to be so good. Make sure to subscribe to Cait Straight Up for more recipes like this one. Every week we are having 4 recipes this week, so make sure to check back. And happy Thanksgiving, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.